What's happening, everybody? It's your boy DJ here, back at you with another one. And if you did not know, this is the DNA show. Now today we're gonna take an unlaced shoe like this, and we're gonna try to get it dead stock factory lace like this. So I'm gonna show you guys the steps and processes and tell you why it is worth doing it this way to increase the value of your shoe. This shoe, you can tell that it is still dead stock, still factory, and you can see from the laces it's pretty tight, looped through the front of the shoe. Everybody wants to know how to get the knot that looks like this on the shoe. Well, I'm gonna show you guys today. So the first step that we're gonna take is tightening up the shoe and getting it back close to that factory look. So what we're gonna need to do is tighten it up from the bottom first, pull here, and then from there we're gonna get it snug. And what you wanna do is make sure that you get the laces really flat, so that way it doesn't have any overlap and there's no bunching on the shoe, and then you can have a nice clean flat look on the sneaker as well. Okay, so we have a pretty flat look here. We're gonna need to take these, make sure they're pretty close to even, and then we're gonna loop them through the top of the shoe, make them face back inward towards the inside of the foot. Now we have the X that goes in front of the tongue that you can see right here. So now that you have the laces evenly dispersed throughout the shoe, and you wanna put your fingers here close to the bottom and kind of clip it around your finger, you wanna rip it down here, hold it down with your finger here. Then you wanna take the lace and wrap it around this lace here. Open your fingers, stick it through here, and what I do is always pull through with this finger at the bottom right here. I pull through with that finger, and then I stick up with my thumb here and I pull. I have the dead stock knot. Now that the laces are already placed inside, all we have to do is pinch the tongue, stick the shoe down, and we have a dead stock looking sneaker. So as you can see right here, we have the undead stock and the dead stock look. It's a very simple process. It should literally take you about 3 seconds. It might take a little bit of practice at the beginning, and all you need is that little loop right there. Even if you let it hang out, a lot of people do that sometimes, but I like to tuck mine in, give it that clean, nice look. When you do this like this, it's a lot easier to sell a shoe for a higher value, because this obviously just looks worn and everything like that. But when you lace it up and make it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, it ends up giving a better appeal to the sneaker and makes people want to value it a little bit higher. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them down below and I'll try to get a video made for you guys. Thank you guys for so much support, all the love, everything like that. We got a lot of stuff coming in 2020. I'm gonna see you guys at Vancouver, BC. SneakerCon, here we come. We're on a world tour this year, y'all. It's gonna be very fun, very interesting. We got some more collection videos coming soon as well. Thank you guys for everything. See y'all on the next one.